Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Disco Kitty, the Crappy Crafter. Today, I will be the Crappy Artist again, as we get... I've been waiting all day for this. Yay! So, correct me if I'm wrong, I feel like he has put out 4 different things at this point. I didn't get the first one. I wasn't watching him then. I had just started watching him when he put out the 3-pack, the giant, huge box of stuff. So I didn't get that. I got the last set, which had some of these Spectrum Noir markers, and it had his coloring pages and stuff like that. I actually still have it. It's right over there. And that was a lot of fun. I scanned every single coloring page so I could print them and not ruin them. So that is, you know, I still have all the original pages. But I didn't decide to get this. I really wanted this, and it's telling me it's delivered. Thank you, UPS. I know. I'm holding it. It's right here. I'm so excited. Anyways, telling me again, it's been delivered. Anyways, so let's see the list of stuff on the back, shall we? That's a lot of stuff. And it's exciting. I'm excited. There is so much stuff in here. This is basically just going to be an unboxing and seeing what goes together with what, because I'm still suffering. I'm still getting over being sick for like 2 weeks. So we'll see what's in the box. Let's get into it. Alright, let's just get right into the box. I'm too lazy to do a voiceover, so I'm just gonna talk as I unpack. So here's a sweet little note. It says, "Thank you, as a thank you for buying Jazza products. You get to have 20% off your next thing. And I'm not gonna give you the code because you gotta go buy it yourself." So, what are the things that I am most excited about in here? I am not excited about a 0.7 lead. That's alright. It's okay. But I am super fond of using a 0.3 lead. See, 0.3. I love my 0.3 leads. So we'll stick with the 0.3 lead. I'll keep this with me though. One thing I'm super excited about is this giant, oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that. It's just so big. It's so big. Please tell me. Oh, good. Good. There is a sharpener. That makes me very, very happy. I was really worried about that because I hadn't heard anybody talk about how they're going to sharpen this. But here we go. Just like that. Messy. Absolutely beautiful. Another thing that I'm super excited about is this white marker. This white marker supposedly is a really, really good one. White is really hard to do. I used to have the same problem with all of my white nail polishes. They just, So, a water brush, Nice and pointy, but still got a lot of bristles. I do love me a good water brush. 2 blending stumps. A little frayed on the end, but that's alright. They can be sharpened too. Let's see what else. Let's just take everything out as I go. These are the leads. 6 leads to go with this pencil, which is super exciting. Yes, so I don't have to try to find them. Kneaded eraser. You gotta have a kneaded eraser. I love kneaded erasers. Gotta have a good plastic eraser, a good solid one. We'll test it out. These I'm going to assume are 0.7 leads. Woo, no big deal there. They're not even marked what they are. I have no idea what the hardness on these leads are. Alright, let's get into the markers. We're excited because we have 2 blue 2 blue grays, 2 brown grays, and a true black, which is always nice to have. For pencils, we've got red, blue, green, 2 different grays, and a white. And I really, really hope that this white works. Oh, it's a pastel. Ooh, look, it's a pastel. That might work better than a regular colored pencil. Here's hoping. But, because again, as with anything white is so hard to make opaque without just ruining it. Okay, so fine liners, standard fine liner in 0.2, no, sorry, in 2.0. 2.0, oh, look at that. She thick. Oh, is she thick? Oh, I like the looks of that. And it's a kind of sort of a chisel point, kind of. Let's see. This is the 2.0 brush. Yay. I love me a good brush outliner. Next is the 0.5. And 0.3. 0.05, very, very good. Super, super fine. Super fine. Love a good super fine. Now, these 2 I'm kind of excited about because these are kind of a brush style tip, kind of, I think. They're a flexible tip. And I'm really super excited about that. Super excited about that. Alright, so layer 1 is done. On to, oh, I can smell it. Oh, it just smells so good. Alright, just throwing all the trash on the floor. Alright, so here is the portfolio to put everything in. Wow. This is where the sketchbook goes. This is where all the pens and the things go. It's very exciting. I can't wait to put it all together. Alright, so here's the sketchbook. It's a very pretty sketchbook. And it's got one of those rubber straps. Love the rubber strap. Keep it shut. Oh, does it lie flat? It kind of lies kind of flat. Not so much with the lying flat, but you know what? That's okay. You should feel this. This is so pretty. It's too bad I can't... Oh, there we go. It's, of course, Jazza's old wall to commemorate the big mural he did once upon a time. This is, I'm actually really excited about this because I suck at sketching. I just want everything to be perfect the first time. And it's hard because I've taken some art classes, don't get me wrong, but it's not very many. I had a couple in high school, a couple in college, you know, no big deal. Alright, try to get the box out of here without knocking down my everything. And then the other sketchbook. This one feels more like a multimedia kind of thing. I'm excited about these. Ages 14 plus. 14 plus? Why you make it 14 plus? How are the children supposed to do anything? But look at how cute this is. Look at all the stuff. This stuff is so cool. I love it. All of it. Alright. Let's fill her up. Let's put you. Protect the pretty one. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It was like it was sized just to fit those two specifically. And I love it. Alright. Let's get into all this stuff now. Alright. Let's see. All this stuff goes down here. We'll leave that open because we'll see if anything else is going to go in there. Okay, let's see. Oops. Maybe these weren't supposed to go here. I probably should have looked it up, huh? Maybe. Maybe these go over here. Well, they certainly fit in there better. Alright, they fit there better. Let's see. Are you gonna go here? Kind of. Are you gonna go here? Oh, yes. Yes. Maybe you. Let's see, put that outside. And then ice gray. And then ice gray. And, okay. Alright, so let's get these pencils in here. Oh, yeah, that's much better. Alright, so I guess these all go over here then. See, this is why I didn't zipper it up, because I wasn't sure. And there. Kabam! Carry, carry. Carry, carry. I love it. I am so happy that I got this. Well, there really isn't much else to say with this. That was really awesome. This is a cool case. It has everything that you could possibly need. Oh, I love this. I love it. I love everything about it. I'm really, really happy that this was given to me. It was bought for me as a birthday present, which was, you know, the middle of January. So that's long come and gone, but I'm so excited to have this. And at some point in the very near future, we'll test it out. But until then, thank you so much for coming and visiting and watching me unbox this and being part of this adventure. And hopefully it will be an expanding adventure. We'll see. But yeah, yay. Super exciting. Yay! All of my stuff. This is just super cool. I'm just super, super, super excited over this. I'm really, really happy. And I hope that all of you who were able to get yours have gotten yours and are having fun with them. So I guess that pretty much wraps it up. Until next week, stay safe.